everybody, and welcome to another gameplay. Now you might be thinking, why are you sitting in a pilot's seat? We're gonna be playing some Flywings Flight Simulator. Not a lot of people play this game, but it's actually really cool. You have to do everything, and if you tilt the screen, the actual steering wheel moves. You can go up. You can go down. Go up. You can go down. So it's pretty nice. Right now I'm just stuck on the ground. It's all of these are off. My lights are all off. My engine is also off. So I can now start my flight in the city. So I'm gonna on the engines. We also have brakes. We can also choose our view. I'm gonna stick with this. You can also go backwards if you want. So, what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna get the view on. Not far away. Cinematic. Cinematic is nice, but you know what? It's too dangerous and difficult. So you know what? I'm going with the normal view. So let's go with our engines on. And I'm starting off, so I'm gonna put the volume down a bit. So I'm starting off with Cessna, or whatever this thing is called. We're gonna be flying this around. My lights can go on. Landing can go off. Beacon on. Strobe on. Navigation on. So I can get rid of that now. So simulation speed. Resume game. So what do I mean by what is it? Taking off. New York. Just want to watch this really quick. Landing. It was a very bad landing. Closing flaps, because you need to close some flaps. I actually like this game. Cessna 182 Skyline Pilots. Told you. So it was a Cessna. Now, oh no, I hate these things. Okay, so now my engines are on. I'm gonna get moving slowly. I don't know where the one-way is. Well, I know where the one-way is now, since I saw it. I actually parked. I had a test run, then I parked. That's where you could see my best moments. I could go to another airport. But you know what? Actually, I can go to another airport. I'm gonna go to another airport. So I'm gonna go around over here. I'm not gonna take off necessarily on the taxiway. I'm gonna go a little bit fast. I hope I don't clip that truck. There we go. Now I didn't put I put 22 tons in my luggage because I didn't want to go that heavy in my first try. So yeah. This game is pretty nice. Congrats to the developer or whatever who created this game or whatever. This is the bad thing. This is the worst thing I know about airplanes. They take a long time to taxi. And I'm going off the line, so I'm gonna go a little bit slower. So yeah. There we go. Let's get up a little bit now. The fun thing is you can change views. So, that's funky. Ooh, that was so close to hitting the lamppost. Where's the one? Oh yeah, there's the one. Should I go all the way over there? Or should I just go to the one way? I think I'm just gonna go to the one way. Is this even a one way? Yeah, I think it is. Should be the one way. Or is this the one way where I'm standing in? I think the place where I was standing in was the one way. I actually don't know anything. Wait, I think this is a one way. This can't be a one way. But it, no, what, Huh, I don't even know. Where is the one way? Tell me in the comment section below. Where on earth is the one way? Like, are you serious? No, I don't want to get in that grass. I think that was the one way. And you know what? Okay, that much is okay, but like, yeah, that's the one way. Great. Well, I guess we had the loop-de-loop. So let's. Okay. We're already 6 minutes in. We're wasting a bunch of time. I'm not gonna make this video too long. And I'm gonna slow it down a bit. Because now I'm gonna turn to the one way. I think this is the one way. I'm going to the real one way now. Are you serious? How many one ways do I have to talk about? Now stay on the ground. Don't go up. I'm fully risking it to go up into the air on the taxiway. Are you even allowed to go at this speed? I doubt. Luckily there's no police in this game. Then this game would have just been real life into a game. That is gonna hit the post. Nope. I have a risk of just tipping over as well. Okay. Now, okay. So I think that way is the one way. I'm not sure. Where am I? Okay. There are the one ways. Oh, there are there. Okay, there is the. I think that's the one way. I'm not really sure. The texture is pretty bad, but the airplanes are the only things which are detailed. And when I mean detailed, I mean detailed. Oh, this is like a bridge, I think. So, no worries, I'm not just running over cars. I'm in a whole different airport, I don't know. There is my boy, one way. I might have flipped the... Oh, no. I can't bear to watch a 30-second video. Let's restart the flight. Where? What? Dude, where? Dude, that was not cool. Let's choose the Airbus free flight. New York, let's go to somewhere else. Maybe somewhere different, more difficult. Could go to New Delhi. Or Nepal. Well, Nepal has lots of mountains. I don't know where I could go actually. So maybe St. Martin. I don't know. It triggers me to go to Indonesia. Or maybe Alaska. You know what? I'm gonna go. Nepal has that smallest runway. Can't go there. Okay, fine, New Delhi. Whatever. Okay, sure. Weather. Thursday, 5th October, 1950. Now it is 6th, right? It's a day 2. There, 6. I can just click the buttons. What am I doing? Let's say it's 1 year up. You know what? It's just 2. 2. Saturday. I don't know why any flights would work on Saturday. Well, some do. I think I should make it not Saturday, but maybe 2 days after. Monday. There we go. Let's make the wind go nowhere. Should make it like rainy. Hazard. No. What should be the time? Should it be nighttime? That'd look cool. Except I'll not have anything to see. It's early in the morning. Because flights normally go early in the morning. So payload, let's make it go up a little bit, like 1 ton. Okay. What's multiplayer? Okay, whatever. No, let's go fly. No, why? There we go, fly. There should be. Not bad. Okay, let's go. Not full speed. Actually, should I go full speed? Not really, because... Here I come. Whoa. Okay, that's pretty good. Gonna lower it down. New Delhi is a pretty good area, actually. Except those long posts I might just break into. Alert, alert! We have a problem with the engine. Let's do the emergency landing. Oh no, what just happened? What on earth? I'm gonna have to do an emergency landing. Everybody brace for impact, because this is not gonna be a pretty emergency landing. I have to return back to the airport. There's no choice. Go, airplane, you can do it. The airport is right there. No, I don't think I'll have enough time to get there. Come on. Ah! Break. Oh Jesus! Why is there so much smoke? I can't even see things anymore. Emergency! Put water. Oh, wait, what? There's so much. Yay. Well, thanks, emergency system. Oh, that was like the best emergency landing in history, probably. I don't know what just happened there with that emergency landing, bro. I don't know what happened to the engine. Like, I hope the front engine is working okay. Well, yeah, now it's working. I'm gonna turn it off to save some fuel. Well, that was very unexpected, and sadly, I think while that was happening, I think I might have got a disease. So, yeah, I'm gonna end the video today. That was a crazy emergency landing, by the way. I thought I could make it back to the airport somehow. Well, I did, but I didn't land on the runway. I mean, let me see where I'm at, by the way. Dude, tower, can you see me? OMG, I'm like, I headed there and I stopped there. Another round of applause. That was a pretty cool, experience. To be a pilot saving the day. Comment down below if you want another one of these crazy emergency landings. And for now, I'll see you later. But before, we have to watch the video. Took off. New Delhi. A new flight. We did the emergency landing. Crazy. That was like the crazy emergency landing. Yeah, that was the best moment. That's what you call it. So guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Leave a like if you did and subscribe to my channel. And now I'll see you later. Bye.